Good morning students, I am Satnam Kaur. Today I am going to continue the chapter number 25 of class 10, that is probability, 25B and 25C. In this we already know that the probability is equals to favorable outcome divided by the total outcome. But in this exercise there are two words at least, at most, that is used, and one thing more used, or and. That means we have to justify between these words because probability formula is same, nothing is different, but according to these words we have to think something. See, in the sum number 7 we take if two coins are tossed. Now I have two coins, that means the outcome will be 2 raised to power 2, 4 outcomes will be there. Then I say 2 heads, because this is a small, we have to take it expanded way. Now what can come? Head and head. First coin head, second will be head. First is head, second will be tail, or first tail, second should be head, and the last condition is 2 tails are there. Now he asked from 2 heads. Now I will see this condition. How many 2 heads are there? Only this is the one condition. That means my favorable outcome is this head and head. That is only one condition. Now the probability become favorable outcome divided by the total. Now favorable outcome is only 1 and the total outcomes are there 4, and answer become 1 upon 4. Now we come on the next concept, come sum number on 9. A card is drawn from the wells of a deck of the 52 cards. Find the probability that the card drawn. Now different conditions are given. He say a spade. Now I have to understand how many spades are there. There are, how many spades are there? I know spade is a one type, and I know that one type have the total 13 cards. That means spade 4, I have the favorable outcome 13, but the total cards are 52. Then the probability of this event of spade is this favorable divided by total, and answer become 1 upon 4. In a red card, how many red cards are? 26. 26 upon 52 become 1 upon 2. In the next, a face card, that is 12 upon 52. Then the next, 5 of heart or a diamond. Now see it, this fourth part. 5 of heart. How many 5 are there? In each type there is only 1 5. That means in heart there is a 1 5. I take 1, this 5 from the heart. Then next condition is say, or a diamond. How many diamond cards are there? There are 13 diamond cards. That means this one card plus these 13 cards, that means total favorable outcome 14. But the total cards are 52. And I want to find the probability of this event, that become favorable divided by total. If I cut it, it becomes 7 upon 26. It is my answer. It means if or word is given, or word, listen it, or between two conditions or is given, that means I have to take the both conditions, sum up them, because you say 5 of heart, that is only one card, and 13 of other card, that means total are there 14. With or word we will take the total, but if there is a and one, then what to do? In sum number 9, 7th part, a red and a king. Now I know that red cards are 26. Now how many kings are there? Total kings 4 are there. Now he asked for red and a king. That means both conditions should be in one card. Now in red, how many kings are there? 2 are there. That means 2 are of red king, 2 are of black king. But I know I need red card with king. That means red also and king also. There are only 2 cards. If we say red or king, then I will take total 26 of red plus these kings of 2 black, total become 28. It become my favorable outcome. But now he used the word and. It means I have to take the common red and king. That means both condition in the single card. That are only 2. In this case, I have the favorable outcome 2, and the probability of this event become 2 upon total card 52s. Always take the total this one. If overword, that means we will combine it and add it, that become the favorable. If there is a and condition, that will be taken the common out. Their both condition will be in one, that become, we have to just take the common one. Or and this is clear. Then next condition is at least and at most. Now what is the meaning of at least and at most? This is in your sum number 7. He say if 2 coins are tossed once, now 2 coins are there, total probability will be 2 raised to power 2, it means total is 4. Total I take, then you see 2 heads, that is simple one, then you see at least 1 head. Now you will take all the conditions there. At least 1 head, 2 heads, then 1 head, tail, then tail, head, and 2 tails. These 4 possibilities are there. He say at least. At least means minimum, kam se kam, you can say. Kam se kam, 1. That means we can take more. If you come to me, I say you have to take at least 5 rupees. It means you have least 5. You can take more. It means that word, more that what. You can take 5 rupees and 10, 20, so on 100. You can take any money with you. Because I say at least 5 you have. That means you can't take less than 5. I have to take 1 head at least. That means I can take more. Now I have here 1, I can take more than it. That means my favorable outcome 1, 2 and 3. Now the favorable outcome become 3. That means probability of this event favorable upon total. If we say at most, what is the meaning at most? At most means ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा, or you can say maximum. I say you can take at most 5 rupees. Now what is the meaning of it? That means you can take less than 5 or equals to 5. Don't you can take more than 5. It means at most. Now I have to take, there is a given both here see, I see at most 2 heads. That means ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 2 head. इससे कम ला सकते. You can take less than it. You can bring less than 5 rupees. Now I say at least 1 head. Suppose I see 1 head here, 1 head here. There will be no also. I can take this condition also. Again the favorable outcome of my is 3 and the total of is 4. Then the probability of this event become 3 upon 4. Once again, if the word is given at least, that means you can take more than it and equals to it. If the word is given at most, then you can less than it or equals to it. Just 2 conditions are there, at least and at most. And the other 2 words are or and. If or is given, that means both we have to add. If and word is given, we have to take the common out. The both conditions should be on that conditions. So please try to do it. These are the so much easy. So only 4 points are there. You have to learn. So please try to do. Thank you, students.